Hello and welcome. In this video, we will learn about the real structure of HTML. Alright. Now, I did not teach you this till now because you are new to HTML. And if I had taught you initially what I'm going to teach you in this lesson, it would have confused you. So now let us start learning the basic structure of HTML. Okay. Now all the HTML documents should start with this. Okay. Doc type HTML. Now this is how we should have started our web page. Okay. Now this is not an HTML tag. It is just a declaration. Okay. Now it is saying to the browser that we have an HTML file. Okay. So when we open this, this opens in a browser. And what should a browser expect? Correct? So browser should expect an HTML file. And this is how we say that. So all the HTML files or pages should start with this. Alright? So angle bracket, exclamation mark, doc type, caps, HTML. So we are saying the document is HTML. So hey browser, whether it is Microsoft Edge, Firefox, Opera or Chrome, we are giving you an HTML file. So be ready for it. Okay. Next we say HTML. Alright, HTML. And then HTML. We close this HTML tag. Now what we are saying is whatever comes in between these two tags are the document of the page. Okay. Or we are saying that HTML page starts from here and ends here. Or whatever is between this and this should be considered as HTML document. Okay. So this is next tag and then ending is this. So this is the end of HTML document. Alright. So HTML and HTML. And then the next tag is head. Okay, head tag. Let me close this head tag. Alright, head tag. So I'll tell you about it in a minute. And then after that is body. Okay, body. And let me close this body. Okay, so HTML opens, closes, head opens, closes, body opens, closes. Now this is not a tag, so no forward slash. This is declaration. We are saying that hey browser, expect an HTML file. Okay. Now head and body. So inside the body should be the content. Okay. Inside the body should be the content. Now what content? The content that we want the visitors to see, or basically whatever we have learned till now. Okay, whatever we have learned till now should be between body tags. Okay, body tags. And in between head tags should be some meta information. And whatever is inside head tag cannot be seen by the users or visitors. Okay. Now I have an image here. Now this is a boy. From here to here is the body, and from here to here is the head, correct? Now, when I look at this boy, let's assume this is a real boy. When I look at this boy, I can see his body. I can see his body, but I cannot see his head. Well, of course, I can see his head, but imagine head as what he is thinking. Now, I can see his body, but when I look at him, I cannot see what he is thinking or what is going on in his mind. Okay, so all those things will be in the background. He may be thinking about eating a pizza, or he may be thinking about sleeping, or he may be thinking about his friend, so on. So we do not know what is going on inside his head, correct? All we can see is the exterior body. Of course, you can see it, but for example, head is equal to mind. I cannot see what is going on in his mind. Correct? Same way, whatever is between head tags cannot be seen by visitors. And whatever is in between body tags can only be seen by the visitors. Okay? So whatever we have learned till now should be between body tags. Now, this is not it. This is not it. We have few more things, or few more adjustments, or few more details which we need to mention. Now, when we mention HTML, we must mention the language of our website. Okay, so we say that by saying LANG for language is equal to EN for English. Okay, and EN should be inside quotes, and this should come in the starting HTML tag. This should come in the starting HTML tag. Alright, so this gives the information about language of the website to the search engines. So we are saying our web page is in English language. If it is in a different language, Hindi, then something else. So you can find all the codes for various languages on the internet. Okay, so most of the case it will be English. All right. Next, in head, we need to mention this. Okay, meta character set is equal to UTF. Okay, UTF and 8, and this should be in quotes. Now this you have to by heart this, or you have to memorize this for now. All right, because I cannot explain you what this is. Basically, it is saying that we are following UTF standard. Okay, so here also you can see. So this is UTF character coding. So do not worry too much about it. Now this needs to be there, and it should be in head tag. So this cannot be seen by the visitor. Okay, as I told you, whatever is inside the head tag cannot be seen by the visitor. Only what is inside the body can be seen by the visitors. Alright, so this is the actual structure of an HTML file, and this is how you have to write the codes. But the thing is, in modern browsers, according to the W3 standards, you don't have to write this. Of course, this is the proper way of writing it. But even if you do not write this, the web page still loads. Okay, still loads. There will be some errors, but it still loads, and that is what we had seen till now, correct? So let me go here and let me open it. Okay, let me open this. So you can see it opens and it is proper. As of now, it is proper. But when you upload this and when it will be visible to all the users or other people, there may be some error if you do not mention this. So it is best practice to follow this. Okay. So now let us add this to our document, which is this. Okay. So let me open this with Notepad. So what should I say here? Let me not copy it. Let me type it once again so that you can watch it and have practice. I have to say doc type. HTML. Okay. I have to say doc type HTML. And in next line, I have to start HTML. Okay. HTML. And I have to end it here at the end. So I have to say HTML. All right. Now this is in English. So let me say language that I am using in my website is English. All right. HTML English. And then in head tag, let me say meta character set, okay, is equal to UTF-8, okay, UTF-8, and let me close head tag, all right. And then comes the body tag, and this is what should be visible to the visitors, correct? So body starts here, and after body the content of our website, and body tag ends right before HTML tag. All right, body. Okay. Now this is fine. Let me save it. Now this is a proper HTML document, and now let me open it. It opens, and you don't notice any change. Correct? You don't notice any change, but the HTML document that we have right now, or which we edited right now, is proper and according to all the standards. All right. So now go ahead and make the changes. What changes? These changes to the page that you have created. All right. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and thank you for watching.